Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Call of Duty Black Ops 7 and you keep getting this error, the game has crashed with error code 0x9, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your Black Ops 7 easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Black Ops 7's directory. So I'm going to go into my C drive, games, and here it is for me. Your directory may be different. You're going to right click on your Call of Duty's folder, go into properties, and here you're going to go into advanced, and then you need to make sure that compress and encrypt contents are both unticked. Untick both of these options and also just untick this one as well. So untick everything from here, click OK, press OK again, click apply changes to this folder, subfolders and files, click OK then, and now go to your games platform. So if you have it on Steam, open Steam. If you have it on Battle.net, open that. If you have it on Xbox Games, open that up. Now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on your Call of Duty Black Ops 7. I'm going to use Counter-Strike as an example. You're going to go into your properties. You'll go into install files. And here just click on verify integrity of game files and verify Call of Duty's games files. And once it's done verifying, then you can just go ahead and play your Call of Duty Black Ops 7 and you'll see that you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.